Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm showing the audio amplifier circuit from the famous book Timer Op Amp and Optoelectronic Circuits and Projects by Forrest and Mims III. This is one of the op amp circuits, and it's using the dual power supply. So I have two 5 volts power supplies being used right now. This one is over here on the right is supplying the negative 5 volts, and I ran out of room, so I am hooking up this speaker here via this breadboard, but it's not like using any of the negative power over here or anything. It could have been over here if there was more room. It's a bit more complex because it's using two ICs. It's using the UA741 standard op amp circuit IC and the 386 audio amplifier IC. Both of these are came in this kit I got off Amazon. There's the op amp and the audio amplifier. Link is in the description. And actually last night I was walking my dog and I found a computer case on the street. Someone had already taken everything, but the only thing that was left was a speaker, and so I unscrewed it with a screwdriver I had in my dog bag, and here it is. It's being used in this circuit now. It sounds better than this little one I had. So without further ado, the circuit right here, let me give you a demo. So you're probably wondering why I have this phone here, and I'm simply using this as a microphone, and I should do a separate video about this, but there's a lot of them on YouTube already. Basically, you can use the speaker as a microphone. You just wire into the two connectors and then connect a jack to it. But so yeah, you can see here if I tap the speaker, the waveform's coming out, but I'll give it a little demo. Okay, so now I'm talking through the speaker on the top, this part, talking through the top, and you can see, the waveform. Have the oscilloscope plugged into the speaker's voltage here, so it's post. So the op amp is acting like, a preamplifier right here, and this one, the 386, is acting as the power amplifier to power the speaker. In the circuit, he asks for 2 trim pots, and those are right here. And one of them controls the gain of the microphone, and the other one controls the volume of the speaker. And with this source, I had to kind of dial it down so there wouldn't be feedback. I didn't have the exact capacitors. Oh wait, he says here, actually, no, sorry about that, that was a brain fart. In the other circuit, that was for another circuit, he says, important, bypass the power supply connections with 0.1 microfarad capacitors, and I put a couple 0.01 microfarad capacitors here. I didn't really notice any change, and yeah, that's about all there is to it, this circuit. I'm curious if I could make it work with one power supply. He has a single power supply circuit on the previous page. It's for It's not for the audio amplifier, but I might be able to modify it because, again, it's not very practical to have to use two power supplies. I'll just demo it one more time. Alright, whoa. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe.